2019 Vision FHD 1080p Digital Wireless RV's camera system 100% with no interference. Wireless signals can stay smooth and clear even car speeds up to 100 mph. Easy installation. All backup cameras and monitor are paired, no need to running cables, just power the RV backup cameras and monitor, and get your picture immediately. Note: we provide a bracket adapter and pigtail wire plug compatible Furrion pre-wired bracket and power outlet. Contact us if you need one. Dual cameras eliminate blind spots. Displaying proper parking and reversing without relying on side mirror. Monitor support single full view split dual/quad view. IP69K waterproof camera 150 degrees viewing angle and easy to hook up to combat bad weather. It's also fog resistant with a super night vision ability. The enhanced digital signal up to 990 feet on open empty area, and it can add up to 4 cameras. 2019 Vision Digital System support 4-channel. This monitor has 4 available video input channel, V1/V2/V3/V4. You can adjust the front rear view mode with the setting menu in the monitor. This monitor with functions for on-off guidelines. Adjust the brightness, contrast and flip images, mirrored/facing/vertical flip, horizontal flip, ECT. The monitor can also be secured in other locations to provide the best viewing angle. We have provided 2 base bracket mount in the package, if you need extra. Fully functioning video recording, either as a continuous loop, default setting, or manual option, with an alert when the SD card is full. The system voltage range from 12 to 24 volts DC power to accommodate a wide variety of large vehicle semi-trailers/box trucks/campers/5th wheels/tow trailers/bus/RVs. If a longer antenna cable is needed, an extension will be provided, free upon request, from our customer service department.